Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to search for item on eBay. So if you wish to search for an item on eBay, it's a very easy and simple process. So what you have to do is first of all log in into your account. So I'm going to use a web. You can use a web browser or an application, whichever is convenient for you. And when you open up a login into your account, then it's going to take you to the home page. So here you have this option to categorize as what you're looking for. So you can see there are a list of categories such as luxury, sneakers, and you have a lot of options in category as well. However, using a search bar tool is one of the easiest and quickest way of looking for an item or searching for an item. So for my case, I'm going to go with the shoes. And when you are with that, you can go ahead and select the search button. You could also categorize it according to women, children, or what sort of thing. And here you can see the list of information has been provided. And likewise, you could go ahead and look for the information, and that's basically how you can search for an item on eBay. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.